All right, this Gene 7 with the Midwest Gold Club. I want you guys to see this. Look at the prices of the precious metals. I can stop it too. And this is the Mint Builders website. We have this ticker on the top of our website when you come here and you look into the products section. You'll see this moving. But look at these gains, up $17. Gold is up $17.36. $2,000 is we're making money. People always wonder and they say, you know, the silver. How do you make money with it? Well, this is when the magic is happening. You see, the metals are increasing in value over time. They fluctuate. You'll see them fluctuating $26. Like the silver here, it might go be it. Today it could be $26 a troy ounce, and next week it can be back down to 24. But eventually it's going to keep going back to 26, and then 36. It's going to start climbing just over time, and that's what it does. But look at, man, it's incredible. And right here, palladium, $3,000 an ounce, up $223 just this week. So it's incredible.